Hey there, Escambia County teachers, and welcome to a Byte of Tech with your Student Data Systems team. Have you been creating assignments and then you realize that you can't link them across all of your sections? Maybe you're just missing one section or two. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can correct that. Starting on your grade screen, you're going to make sure that you've picked the class that you've linked categories across. So click a category, and then you're going to edit. And to double check, you're going to look at those linked sections. When you drop it down, they should all be checked. If not, like here, I missed third period, I'm going to check it. And then I'm going to click Save. Once I do that, now I'm going to switch my class to my third period where I was not able to create linked assignments. So switching over, I'm going to see a warning that my category weights do not add up to 100%. So now I know that that category that wasn't linked is now linked because here it is at the top with no assignments. So I'm going to click the one that does have assignments because now I need to move those original assignments from the unlinked category to the linked one. And that's easy too. So once I open it, I go to category and I click the drop down. The one that's highlighted is the old one. So I'm going to switch it to the linked one and then click Save. When I do that, I see that it's moved. And I'm going to do the same thing for the other assignment. So once I open it, I go to Assessments, drop down, and then Fix It. As always, I'm going to click Save. Now when I've done that, I have to correct the issue of having more than 100%. So I'm going to delete that old category that is not linked. So I'm going to click Edit. I'm going to drop down and see that it's only in third period. And then I'm going to delete it. And then Focus is going to remind me, are you sure you want to? And I do because this is only for that third period class. And I'm going to delete. Now once I've done that, that warning has gone away. Now I will need to repeat that process for my other two categories so that from now on, when I create one assignment, I can link it across all of my sections. And that's how easy it is to correct linked assignments and categories in Focus. And that's another Byte of Tech. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out our 2 recommended videos here on the side and open up that description so that you can find more content that works for you.